Naka-charge eh.
Insane.
Right? It makes life so much easier. My braids can bake cakes, play with my cat, do the chores, and even take the perfect selfies.
That's unbelievable. So Zoe, you go full skeleton mode?
Yeah, that's right. I keep scaring people by accident. Just last night, I snuck up on Mystery while he was watching a horror movie and nearly gave him a heart attack. And he was like, "Whoa, Zoe, what are you doing?"
Wow, that's wild. Mira, what about you?
I'm the ultimate foodie. I can eat anything I want without limits. Watch me snap back to my perfect form, set to 100 pounds. Seriously, no more weight management is the best feeling ever. Wow, I love your power.
Whose power would you pick?
Hey, close to my ears. Snow, you...
Papa, wait for me! Papa, where'd you go? Papa, where are you?
Mama, can I have? No, sweetie. It's not for baby, it's for older. Papa. What is it? What is it, my daughter? Mama is not giving me the noodle. That's... uy, mahal. Bigyan mo siya ng noodles. Ayaw mo lang bigyan, dapat mo talaga, ha? Sige na nga. Oh, subo, more.
Checking a color.
Thank you, Mama.
Naya.
You're welcome, Doctor. You're welcome, Doctor.
Checking a color.
Ano kaya kakainin ko? Puto. So, hindi ko yan kakainin. Hindi ko yan kakainin. Next. Hindi ko yan kakainin. Ay, kakainin ko pala. Siyempre, masarap yung ube. Kanina, nimukbang natin to. Mga candy. Nimukbang natin kanina yun eh. Di ba?
Oo.
Lang mang kapalit na inalay kong kain, kaibigan. Ay, kulang man ang iyong pagtingin.
Brown.
Bye guys, thank you for watching. Follow me. Follow me. Bala kayo. Hindi ko kayo bibigyan ng slime. Sinong gusto hindi ko kayo bibigyan ng photo cards. Order na kayo. Papadeliver ko. Pero dapat mas malapit lang, ha? Mas malapit lang. Merong bini. Tatlong bini, saka isang labubo at isang basta
Skin color.
Zoe, yung K-pop Demon Hunter, saka yung labubo na photo cards. Comment na lang kayo. Dapat naka-follow kayo, ha. I-check ko yung mga Okay, bye-bye.